For the second part of the lab, we have 6 different beakers here, plastic beakers, and they're numbered 1 through 6. If you need to, you can pause this at any point in time and analyze and look at each one of these different samples. Okay, you're going to try to identify, this is number 6 right here, by looking inside of them. Oh, focus. Trying to look inside of them. What do they look like? Which one appears to be maybe the color, the change, most dense. You can see each one has a little bit of a different color to it. Okay, I'm going to run back through those one more time for you. Okay, so this is sample number 1. You can see it from the side. You're using just physical observations. What does it look like? To see if you can determine density based off of just what it looks like. Sample number 2. Sample number 3. And you're going to put these in order, what you think is the most dense to the least dense. So which one has the most density, that's what you'll put down first, to the least dense. Remember, when we're talking about density, think about it like this. If I throw a rock into a lake, it will sink because the rock has more density. If I throw a piece of wood into a lake, it will float because the water has more density than the piece of wood, so it will float. Alright, so now here's the example, here's the answers. I'm going to take these eggs, I've got 6 eggs right here. I'm going to take one egg at a time and I'm going to put them in starting at number 1. Pay attention to the speed at which it drops and maybe sound if you can hear it. And that one floats. So that would mean that sample number 1 has more density than the egg. Sample number 2. Floats a little bit, but kind of slow. Sample number 3. Popped back up a little bit quicker than 2. Number 4 didn't go to the bottom at all. It popped right back up. Number 5 went straight to the bottom real quick, didn't pop up at all. Sample number 6. Down and back up pretty quick. Okay, so if you got your order correct, the order should have went 4, then to 6, then to number 1. You can see number 3 right there is sticking out a little bit farther than number 2. You can see how much of the egg is sticking out of the water there. So that shows that number 3 is a little bit more buoyant than number 2. And then our last one is number 5. So your order should have went 4, 6, 1, 3, 2, 5. Now this is different from class period to class period because also the egg density can change. When I say the egg density can change, what I mean is that when I took them out of the fridge this morning, the eggs were nice and cold, so they would have more density. So that can change from period to period. So you want to pay close attention to that as well, that's one of the variables you got to take into consideration. So last period, during 4th period, when I just did this, it was a different order than it is right now. Okay? All right. So go ahead and take just a quick break. I'm going to move into the next one.